Yo, I'm Mnemonic, music makers of BandLab. I'm going to show you how to download and import audio using BandLab so you can make more music. Starting in the BandLab web version, there's different ways to download different things. We'll start with the smallest, which would be a region in a track. Let's say you had multiple regions and you just wanted to download that funky bass solo. So in that region, we'll right click and then export region as WAV. Very simple. The funky bass solo has been downloaded. Now let's say you want to download an entire track. You can right click on the track or click the three dots and then click export track as WAV. Now let's say you want to download the stems or the track outs from the entire project. Up at the top left, click File, Download, and then Tracks. From here you can download all of the stems for your project. Let's say your song or your beat is almost finished and you want to listen to it, or it's ready to be mastered. Up at the top left again, click File, then Download and Mix Down As. From here you can choose the quality. You can always compress it down later, so I would recommend downloading the HD WAV. Okay, moving on to the BandLab mobile app. To import a sound, at the bottom of your tracks, tap the plus sign, then Import Audio/MIDI. Choose the sound that you want. Once that's done importing, that sound will now be on its own new audio track. Now to download audio tracks, tap the mixer button, which is the bottom left, three little lines with dots on them, and then tap the three dots similar to the web version and click download. Once that's done loading, you can download that sound to your device or share it wherever you feel appropriate. To download your master track without publishing it, this is what you want to do. Exit the mix editor by tapping up at the top left. You can save or discard. I have it saved. From here, you'll tap the three dots up at the top right, click download. Too easy. Alright, that's a wrap. Hit that like button if this video helped you. Comment down below any further questions that you have. Subscribe for more BandLab tutorials and music making fun with your boy, Mnemonic, yours truly. What are you still doing here? Go make music. More music. Go make more music. If you are watching this before the end of January 2020, there may still be time to enter my giveaway. BandLab has teamed up with me, which I'm extremely grateful for, to help you make more music. I've said it once, I'll say it again. I'm giving away 5 audio interfaces, 1 Link Digital, 2 Link Digital Duos, the 2 channel, and then 2 Link Analog Minis. They're all great audio interfaces, whether you're just getting started or a seasoned music maker. The link is in the description.